Miovision Counts is a video-based, permanently installed count solution. It enables the collection of reliable, accurate, and verifiable traffic data that helps you make informed decisions about your traffic network. You can collect and analyze 24/7 count data for all road users by movement and direction. It is multimodal by default, meaning this solution gives you access to the complete picture of traffic at your intersections so you can understand how vehicles, bicycles, and pedestrians move through your streets. It is scalable and customizable. Miovision Core DCM hardware and the Miovision SmartView 360 camera can be deployed according to the requirements at each intersection and the goals of your team. Miovision Counts gives you access to mobility reports in Miovision One, providing access to visual analytics, making it faster and easier to understand your data. The Mobility Reports landing page allows you to see all your intersections, including intersections that are licensed for mobility reports. Within Mobility Reports, there are 3 separate dashboards: volume dashboards, clearance dashboards, and speed dashboards. Each one offers their own set of reports. In the volume dashboard, you will find single-day volumes, volume trends, time period comparison, and binned volume data. Single-day volumes look at raw data or constructs a representative day of volumes by combining data across multiple days. Volume trends monitors longer-term trends in volumes across multiple days, weeks, or months. Time period comparison compares the average daily trend for 2 time periods. Binned volume data allows you to remotely access and export raw counts data in 15-minute bins. The clearance dashboard offers vehicle clearance and pedestrian clearance reports and can be filtered by direction, movement, and lane. It shows the average crossing time in seconds, as well as the number of crossings across a 24-hour average. The speed dashboard measures the intersection traversal and turning movement speeds, as well as measuring pedestrian crossing speeds for the analysis and optimization of clearance time. In your reports, you can display the data by traffic volume, classification, and movement. Results can be used for both high-level planning and detailed engineering projects. You get access to current and historical data, providing the flexibility to compare week to week, month to month, or even by season to understand how changes impact your network and community. You can configure, access, and share all of the information remotely from anywhere. Miovision Mobility Reports provides high-resolution data and advanced study types, including turning movement counts, volume counts, ATRs, with multimodal classifications, and actionable data and analytics that enable better project planning and design at your intersections. Once turning movement counts are configured in Miovision One, you will also gain access to compliance charts, including pedestrian compliance, showing pedestrian crosswalk compliance, and red light runner, allowing you to start making informed decisions that can impact safety at your intersection. Counts can be combined with Miovision Core and Detection to create a complete holistic view of your network as part of our Detection Plus bundle. Contact us for more information.